In the previous video, we looked at fixing the gap between two separate objects. However, you can still see that they are two separate objects because of the shading differences. To solve this, add a data transfer modifier to the small object. Use the same vertex group from before. As the source, choose the object that it's snapping to. Enable face corner data and custom normals. For mapping, choose nearest face interpolated. Also enable auto smooth and shade smooth for the small objects. Turn off outline in the viewport shading options so that you can see the difference. As you can see, the data transfer modifier takes care of the shading issue.